Hey guys, hello, welcome back to another video. How are you all doing? So today's video is going to be me talking to you about the new Soft Sculpt Makeup by Mario collection. I am so happy to finally be talking to you guys about these. One thing I am actually quite happy about that I waited to do a review on these, because sometimes I like to do the first impressions as when they first get released. Products, I usually review products here on my channel when they first get released, but I do have some thoughts like in my brain regarding these products, so I wanted to talk to you guys about that and also show you guys how to use them, because they are quite innovative and quite different than, you know, other products out there in the market. So yes, as you can tell, my voice is very congested and quite annoying, but let's move on past that. So that's why I've been kind of MIA. And if you're new here, I'm so happy that you're here with me, joining me. And without further ado, let's get into today's makeup review. Guys, it is quite hot. Where are you from? How hot is it where you're at? Because summer has officially rolled around. But anyways, today we have the new Makeup by Mario Soft Sculpt Transforming Skin Enhancer and the Soft Sculpt Transforming Skin Perfector. So I did pick up these both products in the shade light medium. They do have about, I don't even know, I think it's like 7 shades, something like that. Not that many shades, but they are quite universal because these products are meant to be for like your perfect summer day makeup, minimalist makeup days. So yeah, I did pick these up. I have tried out, as you know, my favorite bronzer, cream bronzer, is the stick bronzer, and I'm in the shade light medium, so I just decided to go ahead and pick these up in the same shade. So this is the Soft Sculpt Transforming Skin Enhancer. This is a shade light medium. So I'm gonna swatch it right here for you. It's very emollient. It does have that beautiful glow and it's very cool tone, as you can see here on my swatch. So this is really going to be meant for those days that you want to really give definition to your skin, but you don't want to sculpt it and chisel it and make it really super snatched and contoured. It's going to be one of those minimalist, like I said, products. So I'm going to use it today. So on my face right now, I did mention earlier that I do have a couple of thoughts in my head regarding this product. So as you can see from me just swatching it for you, it does get very nice and creamy. So I will say right off the bat that I do have a couple of thoughts in my mind about this product, and I'll tell you exactly what those are. So let me start off by saying, on your face, you can put on a full face of foundation if you want. You could use here, I have this one here. You can use a skin tint as this Tower 28 Sunny Days one, or you can go pretty much bare face. That's also amazing too if you really want to go minimalist. So for today, what I did for this review, because I feel like this is like my go-to way of using this product, is I spot concealed. So I used my concealer, my e.l.f. hydrating camo concealer, and I just spot concealed. So I did my under eyes already, like 2-3 spots on my face, and then I don't have anything on my forehead, so you do see that my forehead is a lot more shinier because I don't have any product on there but my moisturizer before coming in and filming. So I'm gonna use my little small kabuki brush and I'm gonna put that in to the product and get that a nice coat, and then I'm gonna warm it up on the back of my hand. This is what it looks like as I just showed you. Very nice cool tone. And I'm just going to start applying it where I normally would apply my contour. So this is just to give your face warmth and definition. That's the word I was going for. Definition without giving you such a bronzer contour look. So you don't have to use a lot of product with this. It will last you quite some time because of the fact that it's not really meant to give you that strong contoured look. So I'm just gonna run it through my forehead here. So I really do like this. I'll start off by saying I really do like this for as how I'm using it today. If I don't want to use really foundation, but maybe concealer to really correct where I want to, and then just going in with a product like this to give my skin a little something definition, but not really wanting to have to use so much product and makeup for the day. So basically, after I have already told you why I like it, I'm going to say why I kind of have some thoughts about it, and not necessarily negative thoughts about it, but I have really taken, you know, some time to use this product and also see like what I don't necessarily probably think others would like about it. And that's one thing, is if you're oily skin type, I don't know if you necessarily would like this because it gets very emollient and dewy, which I like that dewy look, but I know that definitely if you are oily skin type, it can seem like it's just a little bit too much, and throughout the day might get a little bit slippy, too slippy maybe. I don't know, because I don't have oily skin type, but that's maybe something you want to take into consideration and thought. You can always try it and return it if you don't like it. Give it a shot, but that's just one of my observations as I've used this product. But what I do like about it is that it does really give my skin a nice, like almost filtered look, even though it has very little coverage. It's really meant to, like I said, warmth the face, give that warmth, and yet not make it look so crazy intense without giving you like so much color and coverage, because it's not meant to give you any coverage. So I do like how it looks just by adding that. I'm not going to keep going because then I feel like I could add too much. But see, even my forehead, that I didn't have any makeup on my forehead, you can see how pretty it gives my face like a natural shadow and, you know, fresh face type of look. That's what it's really meant to give you. Now moving on into the Soft Sculpt Transforming Skin Perfector. This is in the shade light medium. So this one is very, very different. This, you do see a highlight, like a powder up top, like non-shimmer powder, light highlighting powder almost. And then you have this beautiful like highlighter glow in the center. Then you move on to a bronzer at the bottom. Now I'm going to use this little kabuki brush. He does use a brush similar to this by his complexion line, but I don't have that brush. So I'm just going to use this bronzer right here. If you really want more definition on your contour, you can definitely use this as a way to build up. So it definitely has built up more of that contoured look if you're going for that. And then you can also just swirl it around and use it as like topper. And it gives that beautiful highlight, dewy highlighted effect, but yet setting your makeup. And then I'm gonna also put it around my face. He said you can do this too. So that's what I'm doing. I'm kind of avoiding the bronzer portion though for the rest of the face because I don't really want you know, brown contour shade on my face. So I wanted to kind of move a little closer. So I don't know if you can tell, but me brushing this powder on my cheeks, I feel like it gives my skin like a filtered, beautiful, effortless look. Am I crazy? And this is the other side. Like, this product kind of tripped me out because I felt like, okay, this is too much to fit in one pan. Like, you get what I'm saying? Like, it's a highlighter, and then it's a highlighting powder matte situation, and then it's a glowing highlighter, and then a bronzer in one pan, and I feel like it's like too much to fit in this pan, but it somehow works. How is that? And when I put it on my face, of course you can see this shimmery shade be on my forehead, which may be a little bit too much. Again, if you're oily skin type, you may not like that, because why would you want a glowy powder on your face? But it does look really, really pretty and sun-kissed, especially for the summer. And these products are so minimalistic that they somehow work. And then my what is it called? My jawline, I left it with just the skin enhancer. I didn't really touch it up with the powder. I could if I wanted to, but yeah, this is very, very like easy peasy, quick makeup out the door, but yet it makes your skin look nice and, you know, flawless. Like I went too forward here, but yeah. So I'm gonna do my eyes really quick, and then I'll come back and talk to you guys. Applying, hopefully my lipstick doesn't look wonky. I'm back from doing my eyes. I just really quickly did the eye look you see me wearing here. I used the Dominique Coral Blossom palette. Here are the colors I used. This is really the only shade I used to buff everywhere. And then I went ahead and outlined my crease with this deeper brown shade, reddish brown shade. And then next to the eyelid, the little brighter corally shade is this shade right here. And then the bottom are a mixture of these two shades right here on the bottom lash line. That's all I used. So yeah, I'm done doing my makeup. How do you guys think my makeup looks for being so like minimalist as far as my complexion goes? It's really just concealer, spot concealing, and then using these two products like I used here on camera with you. And that is it, guys. What do you guys think? The other thing I wanted to mention, the other thought I had about this, specifically the skin enhancer, is I keep looking back because I confuse it too. But the skin enhancer, what I keep thinking about this too is, I don't know if you necessarily would like need this instead of just using the traditional like stick bronzer or any cream bronzer. Do I really need this? As far as this goes, I feel like this is really what gives, as far as the Perfector, Skin Perfector, I feel like this is really what makes the skin look so flawless and put together with just this palette, which is amazing. But the enhancer, I'm not sure if I really need, if you necessarily need this or if I need this, just because I feel like it's still something I could do with like a light hand with a cream bronzer. So those are my thoughts. What do you guys think about these products? Let me know in the comments down below if you have tried them. Let me know where you're from, and let me know how is the summer going for you. How is the heat where you're at currently? And thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys. As always, I'll see you next one. Bye.